Hello, my name is Gabriela Alfaya. I'm originally from Argentina in South America, and I moved to Bowling Green in 2009, and I've been in the US since 2000. Hola, mi nombre es Gabriela Alfaya. Originalmente soy de Argentina. Vivimos en Bowling Green desde el año 2009 y en los Estados Unidos desde el año 2000. So I come from Argentina. Some of the things that we like over there are family, getting together with friends, and all of this always happens around the table and around food. We love food. We love wine. Argentina is known for its beef. It's a good quality beef. All the cows are grass-fed and free roaming, so that's why the beef is so good. And you can basically eat beef every day, and it's not unhealthy. We also love wine. Argentina is also a big producer of wine, and we love coffee. We have a big influence from our European I would say, grandparents. We have a big influence from Europe because we had a huge immigration wave after World War II, mainly from Italy, Spain, France, Germany. My own grandparents are all from Europe. I have grandparents from Switzerland, the Netherlands, and Italy. So we love coffee, we love coffee shops. If you go to Argentina, you will find at least 3 to 4 different coffee shops per block. Before the pandemic, you would find people at all times during the day drinking coffee, with friends. And you can stay at a coffee shop, sitting at a table for 2 or 3 hours. And even if you drink just 1 cup of coffee, they won't ask you to leave. So you can stay as long as you want. Other foods that are very typical are pizza, pasta, because there's a huge Italian influence, ice cream. We love bookstores. Argentinian people love to read. If you go to Buenos Aires, the capital city of Argentina, there are many bookstores, many libraries, and there's one bookstore in particular that it used to be an opera house, and now it's been turned into a bookstore. The building is 3 stories, and they kept the stage, the original stage, which is a coffee shop, so you can enjoy the bookstore, browse books, and then sit down there and chill and have some coffee.